we have calculated the chi-square value for the given data. We will compare this with the critical value. So for this purpose, we will be utilizing the chi-square distribution table. The table looks something like this. So basically, in order to obtain the value, we need two important parameters. One is this degree of freedom, df, and second one is the significance level alpha. In the problem statement itself, we have been told that there will be the 5% significance level. This is already mentioned. So it means now we need to focus on calculation of degrees of freedom. So degrees of freedom df, it will be equal to n minus 1. So in this case, there are three instances or three defects which are mentioned in the data table itself. So that's why 3 minus 1. So degrees of freedom in this case is 2. Now the next thing is that the alpha is equal to 5% or it is 0.05. So accordingly, we will obtain the chi-square critical value when this df is equal to 2 and this alpha is equal to 0.05. We will go through the table. So what we see here is that in this case df is 2, and when we look at the chi-square value, which is the header row, so this is the value we need to look at. So chi-square at 0.050 and df is equal to 2, so the value comes out to be 5.991. Now we will substitute the value. So it implies that this chi-square critical for this particular situation is 5.991. Remember that the calculated value of chi-square is this much, 2.667. It indicates that the chi-square calculated value is less than chi-square critical value, and hence because it is less, so it means that we can now reject we are actually failed to reject the null hypothesis. What was our null hypothesis? That expected distribution is equal to observed distribution. So the comparison between critical value and the calculated value has indicated that null hypothesis is valid. Hence the observed distribution, what was the original claim, the observed distribution matches the expected distribution. So in this way, we have completed the solution of chi-square problem or comparison of the data which was given to us and checking whether it is following the expected distribution with the help of chi-square test. I hope this is useful to you. Thank you.